It was cracking, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Today is a cute little vlog situation. My phone going up. I'm about to go outside right now. I'm running type late. Today's video is brought to you by Sunber hair. Doesn't it look lovely and gay? Period.com. I want to let you know that I have done nothing to it but put it on my goddamn head. No glue, no nada. If you want to see how I look this fine with no work, keep watching. I'm not even dragging it out in this video. I'm getting right to the point about it. Like, I'm not even like, oh, like, watch me apply. No, we're getting straight to it. I'm explaining like how I move with my wife beater showing. I'm explaining how I move with my hair videos from here on out. I just want to let y'all know. And I'm gonna keep my bargain, and I'm gonna make it, you know that you want to watch it. But I hear you, I see you, I feel you. We out. It's giving Starfire from the hood, Starfire from Harlem, Starfire for hire. Bye. Okay, hey y'all, today is, let me check my hands, make sure I'm not ashy. Okay, we good. Today it's giving easy bake oven, you heard. So I put my straps to the last one. Another wig where you can put your makeup on first. I'm starting to appreciate that. I do want to mention there's no combs in this wig, and that's admirable that it still fits with no combs. Fits my head perfectly. Y'all know I have a smaller head, so I am just ecstatic that it fits right. I'm here for a good time, not a long time today, only because I'm gonna make this video make sense. I understand that, y'all come to me for content, and I appreciate it, and the hair companies come to me to get, some reliable sources out. But I've also realized that I don't want to become the channel where it's just some boring ass hair reviews every time. So today, it's gonna be straight vlog, straight wear test. We outside, it's Friday night, I'm going panicking, and that's that. It's Simone's birthday, so I got my shake and go ready, you feel me? I kind of like the feathered look of the bang, but I know not every girl would like that, but I kind of like that. I'm gonna just straighten this out a little bit. You always have your shit. Who be on Clubhouse? Cause I'm on Clubhouse right now listening to Men Are Trash as a moderator with Alexa Layton, and I love it here.
It's a whole TV show.
Because a sister would have invited you in. A sister would have been like, I need you to
Let's hear her side of the story.
One hand, some cops will talk to you and let you go. Other ones, depending on how they feel, their particular day, whatever, they may...
Fact, if they wife ain't make their food right that night, it's a bad.
But you just don't know like how they're... I wasn't aggressive. I honestly just wanted to talk. Like, I wasn't drunk. I wasn't anything. I just wanted to like speak to the man who wasted my time and then lied to me. But the cops could have come. They could have arrested me. Like, it's like late at night. We're black people. We're in the marina. There's like, district in San Francisco. I was like, what if they would have called? It's like guns outside. When I ran up the steps, I just ran down the back steps. I was like,
right.
Wow, so you gotta see him across the street all the time? He lives like...
He still live across the street?
Yeah. Evicted.
quietly.
That be the evicted.
Back. Okay, guys, I have a story. Okay, so I was talking to this guy from Chicago on and off for a little bit.
Lord.
I don't know who it was. There was no picture or nothing. So I'm like, who is this girl? And he's like, oh, don't worry about it. That's the girl I used to.
Can you tell that I'm in love with this headband that Cakes gave me? Like, it goes with like everything lately. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm gonna keep the headbands on because I'm wearing a skirt and a t-shirt. I don't know. Bring this a little bit forward. Yes. It's kind of it's a little tricky because it's not a lace. So if you're not confident in having like a little bit of spillage out, I would say definitely go like just the straight up like this route, or do like me, put a headband on, because I'm pretty sure you can just cut this and make this a little baby here. You see the vision. I'm gonna just throw that little piece right there. Okay, because I'm about to go out panicking for Scorpio season, and I'm gonna need to keep my hair in one piece. Bring some bangs over here to distract a bitch. All right, now we have a party as far as I'm concerned. All right, we'll see you in the vlog portion, bitches. Hey, look who's back in New York.
We're back.
And doing better than ever.
I'm doing better than ever. Let's get into the fact that I'm doing awesome. The last time y'all seen me, I was probably doing bad. Horrible.
No, you was hosting a show on the street for Cassidy's birthday.
Just know that I'm doing so much fucking better than that. So much better.
Doing amazing.
Y'all see it? I'm a license and I'm driving in LA.
Oh my
and
god.
And it's like, I can't wait till he comes because I'm gonna like actually force
Drive us
myself.
around me.
Yeah, I'm gonna force myself to drive us all around. Okay, he thought he was me leaving with martini. There could only be fucking one. Scorpio will bite your fucking head off. Y'all said look cute on Rose.
I think she retiring though.
I think so. She's about to retire.
She needs to, because now I'm at the point where I'm looking at her body too much and I'm thinking she actually got
She did get work.
I think so.
And it's like I've been having
and I've been someone that's very like, not saying get nothing done, don't play with me like that.
I've been like, she got like for a minute, but it's just like
I looked at one video, I'm like, her hips is sitting, and I've been in Atlanta too long this weekend.
They're sitting like
and the hips are not moving.
They're coochie compacts. Like,
we're walking through the city. I would love an edible. Back on my bullshit. I smell that shit.
yes, it's a little darling.
Yeah. Don't get me started.
Oh my god.
Your hair look mad good.
You can eat the whole thing.
Or?
No, just eat the whole thing.
Oh.
Like, you'll be okay. It's
Yeah?
gonna give you just a nice. It's such a. It's like the dose of it. It's a perfect high. Like you know, I know it's like you could. It's a nice, like, good, cozy high. Like you can still do shit.
Okay.
I know, Biddy, I miss you so much.
I miss y'all too.
I literally, you wouldn't even know though. You don't even know how much I could possibly miss you though, because the way I don't ever talk to you.
That's how I feel like.
I don't actually express it. Yeah, the way that I express the way that it feels.
Every time
it
I-
would never match up.
I swear, every
would
time
never
I
match
go a
up.
long
People
amount
like,
of
bitch.
time, I'm like, you know what, I'll just wait till we really, really miss each other.
No.
And then we go link up.
I always like actually really,
I be
really
missing
miss
you a lot.
I miss you
I be
too.
talking about you a lot.
Yeah,
I talk about you all the time. I ain't ate in the street yet, just so y'all know. I don't do that. When you return back to summer. Like, okay, we still good up
I
top.
mean, it might be the Sagittarius in me that might be like.
Girl, we hot. Yeah, hot as hell.
Hell. Wait, can we get
Bro, hot as hell. No, but seriously.
What is my love, question. Excuse me. Can we have some water, pretty please?
They had the dinner
Right now. The water definitely piped me down a bit. Maybe this bitch ready to die.
the water's hitting. I'm so excited, guys.
I can hear that Perkins calling.
Because we just want to look back at this when the band.
Let's just say Supper has seen us celebrate at least 5 birthdays.
That's a fact.
Also, heartbreaks.
Breakup, makeup, first date,
Makeups, breakups,
first date,
fights.
fights, blackout, abortion, nanny night.
Abortions. I'll be there for that one. All right now.
Cheers.
To the fourth quarter.
Corner going crazy.
Look what Cass did. Look what quarantine provided us.
Brought us a little baby.
We
picture
used to
before
be-
Food comes, let's go smoke this right now. Let's go.
Yeah, think so?
Before the food?
My bad. My bad.
Panties, all the people out there.
Get the fuck out of here.
I don't know the pandemic.
Yeah, you just came back from the A.
Yo, you're
I said nigga. This gotta come up. What time is it? Oh, I'm feeling like it's Super Bowl Sunday.
almost time. No, but
Y'all are aggro.
Hey, like the whole lining up, fellas. You want that free money?
Y'all are aggro, I can't.
Come to Clubhouse.
Come to club.
They gave me edibles, y'all. I wouldn't give it up like this in public, but it got me activated.
Yo.
I had wine in so long. I've been drinking tequila.
I've been drinking so much of fucking wine. I'm a wine.
Oh my god, I've been drinking so much tequila away in Atlanta.
Tequila. I drink gin a whole.
I forgot people. What's the last time y'all been to a club? Clubs is so crazy. I forgot all about
I haven't been to a club in so long.
I don't know, but I'm just living for your club stories. I'm back like I'm there.
Yo, that girl on the call?
I needed that. I needed that.
Yo, because no one has no business going to the club. No time soon. The club it was cool, but you have to be drunk, and you gotta get with niggas that buy bottles.
Yeah.
And that's exactly who I feel all weekend. Hey pal.
It's good. Another cute today.
I think you look cute.
Look at boy.
You do.
Right? It's what we call hood rage.
Hood rich Pablo shot somebody.
I don't pay attention to these people on Instagram.
I don't fuck with these niggas cause they shady. Wait, why we? Our movement is so
in the 80s, crack baby.
Oh. Boss bitch. Look at her.
Inspiration from, you know, a bitch like me likes to count money.
I'm a
bad bitch, not fuck good.
I miss being a bartender and going home with money every day.
Oh my god, I'm bartending now.
Amen.
Definitely.
Keep
I
my money.
I think that shit.
I wish I could be a bottle girl.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god, I wish I could love
I was messing with a bottle girl though. This girl, first of all, she lives by herself in the bedroom.
Thumbnail.
So the owner of my store.
Mr.
Why not? Order a button.
It's given I had a lot to
Yeah,
drink.
little banger.
I know I've been drinking when I'm supposed to like Mr.
Mr. Help me.
Honestly, oh man.
Oh my god, I'm getting that lazy eye going. Hold on.
I know, me too. Oh my goddamn.
Wait, let me wake mine up.
Right.
Wake up.
You gotta wake it up. I be shaking it around.
I just gotta rub it sometimes.
Oh yeah, that's a good trick. Let me try it.
I just be trying to rub
Yeah.
it and just
You
Slap that whole
know, the
way.
wine eye.
wake them up. Make them even.
Where's our check?
Where's our
Vlog. It's a vlog, hood nigga. Do you want to see a magic trick?
I want to see a magic trick. Give us a magic.
Thing.
Go ahead. Go crazy.
There. Oh. That was a magic.
That is what you call trauma.
A triumph.
That's what you call trauma, everybody. You checked that shit in 5 fucking seconds.
That was like 4.
That was like 3.
Yeah.
Definitely 2.5. Big bitches in 60 LES. Big bitches if it. Let us see it. Let us see it. Big bitches in 60 LES. Big bitches if it. Let us see it. Let us see it. Walk with me, hoe.
Ride with me, fly with me.
I'm gonna put my mask on a 3, 2.
We heard.
When it comes to the stunt god,
The Yakubians.
they want to ask questions.
I seen you before. You ain't seen me before,
I
bitch
know.
nigga.
When the fuck you see me?
We all up in here. We all up in here.
Blinding, baby.
I'm telling corporate here. Get out the corner. No, not me. You wish. Pandemic.
In a pandemic? In a pandemic? Not a panoramic.
Not a panoramic. Not where the panoramic.
Honestly, I think I say
Corporate.
Hi, New York.
It's giving corporate. I need a house.
Do you mean?
It wasn't providing for the room.
Yeah.
I did that. I did that shit. This one.
.com.